Hello, 8th graders. How are you guys? I hope you remember our class about the equations and functions. Just a quickly review, I promise, very quickly, to remember what to do to study for your future test, okay? Future summative information. Right now, guys, functions, what is it? Functions can also be represented by an equation, okay? Or rule. Remember, what is a function first? Functions as ordered pairs, and remember, an x value has just one connection with y. Remember the mapping I did in the class, okay? The mapping said to me I have just one connection of each x value. I have one x, one result, okay? Another x, another result. The same x cannot have more than one result. Great, this is a function. Here, the equation, as you remember, functions can also be represented by equations. Great. We remember equations, one-step equation, two-step equation, absolute value equations. Great. The equation will generate ordered pairs by taking an input x, and the result is a certain output. Okay? The graph in equation is the set of all its ordered pairs. The connected pairs, we have the result. We call this a line or a curve. Okay? Very simple. Right now here, example functions, we put an input and have the output all the time. And remember, the x value is the independent because you pick it. You choose. Great? And the y value, it's called dependent because the variable, because its value will depend on the value of x. If you put a certain value of x, the result will be must be work on using that specific x. Right now, guys, the graphing, as I told you, just solve the equation. The first one, x plus 4. You solve all the place for x, you solve this. Negative 5 plus 4, negative 4 plus 4, negative 2 plus 4, 0 plus 4. Great, and you have the result here, and you can graph as you can see over here. Great. And this one here, the same idea. You put the numbers and you graph this graph like this, as you can see here. The connection is like over this. Great? Pretty simple. You just solve the problem and you have the graph. Over this one guy here, negative x plus 1. Negative x, it means negative 3. Negative times negative is positive. It's 3 positive plus 1, it is 4. Here's 4. Negative 3 and 4. What is negative 3 in x? Here. Negative 3, you are over here. And 4 in y. 1, 2, 3, 4, you are here. Great. The point I'm looking for, I'm plotting this one, is here. The second one, it is negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. 1 plus 1, it is 2. Right now, here is negative 1 in x and 2 positive over here. I'm looking for you guy here. Great. Next is 0. Negative 0, no, I don't have it, just 0. 0 plus 1, it's just 1. Great. It is just number 1. And here's 0 in x, okay, 0 in x over here. 1 in y, you are over here. And here, oops, here's the graph. Great. And 4, negative 4. Great, where is negative 4? Oh, no, sorry, 4 positive. Right now it's negative 4, negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3. Negative 3 is the result here. Negative 3. How do I like to look for the x? Number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You are here. And negative 3, where are you? 1, 2, 3. You are over here. Here is the connections, you have it. And let's plot the graph. Pretty simple. You're plotting the graph and it's like that. Great, easy. And this one, guys, given each function domain, find the range values. Let's just find the range values. You don't need to graph, just find the range values. I have here x, and I have here the function. The function is x minus 5. Great. Let's solve it. The domain, as you know, is x value. I have 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 8. Let's solve this right now. In the place of x, I write 4. 4 minus 5. 4 minus 5, it is 4 minus 5, and it's negative 1. This one here is 6 minus 5. It is 1 positive. 8 minus 5, it is 3 positive. Done. Negative 1, 1, and 3. This other guy here is up to you guys. I'll solve this one. 4 minus x, the same thing. X, y equals 4 minus x. Great. Right now, where is negative 2? Negative 2, I have 4 minus negative 2. Negative times negative is positive. 4 plus 2, it is 6. Number 3. Here is 4 minus 3. 4 minus 3, I know is 1. And the next one is 5. 4 minus 5 equals negative 1. And the last domain here, guys, the same thing, the idea, x and y equals 7 minus a half x. Let's solve it. When x is negative 4, you just do it 7 times a half times negative 4. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. Negative 4 divided by 2, it is 2. Negative 2. Negative 2 times 7, it is, oh, sorry, the minus. Forget it, this one is minus. Great. Right now, here's negative 2. Negative 2 times negative is a positive. 7 plus 2, it is 9. And here is 0. Any number times 0 is 0. 7 minus 0. Okay, 7 minus 0 equals 7. And the next, it is number 6. I'm looking for 7 minus a number half times 6 positive. 6 positive. Okay, 6 times 1 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 7 minus 2, it is 4. Great. I have the result over here. Guys, that's it. We have more examples here, but I don't work on this. I think you understand the domain. You just pick the numbers you have here for x. Great. And you solve this one, guys. And remember, what is the domain? What is the mapping? What is the range? Okay, just remember all those information I teach you in the class. Great. And here's the ticket. What is a function? A function is an equation that has only one answer for y, for every x. Great. That's it, guys. Nice to see you today. Have a great day. Bye-bye.